In 2017-18, Lake Elsinore Unified, we were designated for differentiated assistance with specifically our foster youth student population in the areas of math, language arts, and also suspension. When we came together as a team, Dr. Steve Bihar, who's in charge of CWA and our foster youth liaison, he turned to all of us and he just heartfelt said, "Who's watching our most fragile population?"
Many of our principals knew who their foster youth were, but we didn't necessarily have a great monitoring system.
From that brainstorming session came about, we need more boots on the ground, a stronger partnership with our school sites. We need to review data so that it leads to action steps. Bottom line was additional staff. So I went to our superintendent, and Dr. Kimberly, without hesitation, said, "Your team has it. We're going to hire a foster youth social worker."
I specialize in child welfare and also in school social work. I'm working at the district level, so I have an administrative role where I'm helping schools identify their foster youth, identify needs, but I also get to work with the kids, which is really important. With the county, I was case managing students in the foster care system, dealing with the courts, and I noticed a lot of barriers between the county and education. We didn't know much about the education laws or things that students are dealing with. I also love that I can support staff. A lot of times they'll be having an IEP meeting and not realize that the foster parent isn't the education rights holder. So I'm able to step in, identify that person, and make sure that they're present at the meeting so the whole family is able to support that student.
What the LCAP has done for us is it has indicated some of the opportunities to help keep kids from falling through the cracks, being able to emphasize the fact that we know who they are, that we have some check-ins, that we do some specific things when they first enroll, so we know to pay attention differently than we would for other students.
Children who are in the foster care system need extra support in school because of what they're dealing with. They're moving from home to home, changing schools all the time. Some teachers may not know that they have a foster child in their classroom, that they were just removed last night, had to grab one pair of clothing, put in a police car, and then was expected to come to school the next day.
We knew that one social worker was not going to be able to do it all. We now have 5 social workers in our school district who could partner with our program specialist with interns.
My time as an intern at LUSD was really motivational, getting a chance to see so many kids succeed and grow, and that really inspired me to continue.
Every foster youth in the district has an intern assigned to them, not only to do check-ins, but to monitor their grades, their attendance, work with the foster families and the social workers, so everybody has eyes on these students.
When I was their age, I didn't have any kind of mental health supports, didn't find those resources here, had really negative interactions when I reached out for mental health support. And so I wanted to be that when I grew up. So I come in trying to relate to them and trying to let them understand that they are in a safe space with me and that they're not going to be judged.
The students don't have an advocate for them, and I think it's really important for the school systems to have an extra person who is supporting these students and understanding what it's like to be in the foster care system and what additional barriers they come with.
We have more students in foster care than we've ever had at one time, and bringing together what we've done with our social worker for foster youth, along with what she has done in creating an incredible program utilizing intern social workers, it just impacts so many more. Kids in foster care are not just like every other student, and oftentimes they fall through the cracks in the home that they live in. They don't need to fall through the cracks at the school that they attend.